Hi, hello. I just drank a ton of coffee and now I just want to organize my entire Pinterest and make it cute. So this is what my Pinterest account looks like. I know that is one creative description from me. So this is what my boards look like. There's quite a few with only like one or two pins in them. So first I'm going to go through and see what boards I just want to delete. Alright, so this boring life was for a video. I didn't end up using the pins that were in it. Anyway, we'll just delete that. College, one pin about scholarships that I'm sure was made in like 2013, so delete. Also, my internet is on like 2 bars. This might take a while. Olivia's Life. I had a blog and these were all the pins for that, but I deleted the blog and all of those posts. I really should just go through and delete the pins, so I'm going to do that. This might be a good time for me to say welcome to March Madness. So for March Madness, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday in March, I will be posting a new video. I decided that tonight after I drank all of that coffee. It's not going to be like Vlogmas. It's still going to be videos that I script. So you might as well subscribe because there will be a lot of content coming your way. I think it's going to be like 14 videos. Okay, I have like a lot of boards, so I'm going to go through, delete any boards I don't want, and I will be right back. Okay, so I deleted everything I wanted to delete. So what I think I want to do is go and change all of the fonts and the titles. I'm going to go to a font generator. I kind of like this one, so copy and paste it into this. Okay, and let's see how that looks. Oh, that's cute. I really like that. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do that font for all of my boards. So we have a problem. I went through and did like a good bunch of them, and I decided to refresh the page to see what it would look like. It turns out Pinterest didn't like that and deleted all of the titles. So I don't think I can use different fonts. It's just not accepting them. We'll try to make it cute with the font that Pinterest gives us. I could do like 2 brackets. That's kind of cute. I kind of like that. I could do like a squiggly. That's cute too. I could just put a period at the end. I could put a period between all the letters. I can put it in the little, they're not brackets, but the little triangles. It just sucks I can't use the fonts generator. I tried to do this like years ago with my phone and it did work. So maybe it works when you do it on your phone and just not your computer. I don't really know. I'll just do a bunch differently and I guess I'll see what I like the most. Okay, here's some that I came up with. So I don't really know which one I like the most. I guess I'll go and do the slashes and then I'll see if I like it. All the titles are done and I think I like it. I think I'm going to keep it this way. I think it's cute. I think I'm going to go through and organize how I want them. I don't like that some of these are at the top, so I'm just going to move them around. I have my favorite ones up top. Aesthetics can go first. That's my favorite. Oh, awesome. I'm going to unfollow and leave these boards. I never post to them. I don't keep up with the notifications, so I am just going to remove myself from all of the group boards that I'm in. Alright, so I have them more or less organized from favorite to least favorite. Okay, I don't know for the covers if they should all be matching. I guess I'll just go through and pick pins from the boards that I like. Let's switch up this one. Okay, I kind of like this one a lot. Let's see what that looks like. Maybe I should pick the cleanest looking one. Okay, I kind of like that. I don't know why it's not giving me the option to choose from all of them because I have a lot more than this saved. This one might be cute as a cover. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and change the covers, and I will be right back. Okay, all of the covers are changed, but then I also changed my description to a quote that I like. So, hi, it's the next day, and I realized that I never actually gave you guys a tour of my Pinterest. I basically just went to bed when I was done filming, and I was like, oh yeah, that's good, we'll just end the video here. So, I'm gonna show you guys what my boards are and how they look now. Alright, so starting off, we have my favorite board called Aesthetics. It is plural because I cannot choose just one. I like about everything. So when you click it, you see a lot of retro type vibes, a lot of like camcorders at first, paintings, roller skates, trains, anything to do with the sky, the stars. I have some dark academia in there, indie, retro, Parisian chic, Italy aesthetic. Fashion inspo is where I save all of my fashion inspo. And just like aesthetics, it is all over the place. I can't stick to just one that I like. So when you click on it, I was really into like the biker leather jackets. So that's what you see first, some like 70s vests situation, cool shoes, dark academia, indie. I have over 800 pins in that one. In aesthetics, I have over 500, almost to 600. The next one is I want a life of adventure. These are pins dedicated to anything that makes me want to go on an adventure. So when you click on it, there's going to be a bunch of trains, bikes, meadows. And again, I have a ton of pins in this one, almost to 800. All right, next we have words. Any quotes that I like go in here, and I like a lot of quotes. There's over 1,000 pins in this. So if you need any quote inspiration, here you go. Here it is. Bedroom, I have almost 700 pins in this one. This is any bedroom DIY, bedroom inspiration. All right, next is Notion. I'm not really going to click into it. Basically, I save a lot of anime stuff for my Notion. Photography, I have over 600 pins, almost to 700. These are just photo shoot ideas that I want to do, or just inspiration that I like. I have a lot of Vogue magazines in here. Makeup, just any eye makeup that I want to do. Bon Appetit is a board dedicated to food, and just anything delicious goes in here. Video inspiration. This is, well, video inspiration. This is the type of aesthetics I want my videos to have. Dreamy is dedicated to surrealism. Lazy day, it has just a very chill, I woke up and made breakfast and I'm just chilling at home type vibes. I can't say this, but Higgy. So this is for when it's starting to get cold and I'm starting to hate it outside. I will go to this board and it will inspire me to embrace the cozy vibes. Anything books goes here. Collage wall, which are a lot of pins that I use for what you see behind me, and then we get into the secreted and archived. So I would highly recommend checking out my Pinterest. I think it's actually like decently well done. There are a ton of pins. Thank you for watching me remake my Pinterest, and stay tuned for March Madness. Bye.